Zurn Elkay's 7-year partnership with Allegiant Stadium in Las Vegas is growing stronger. When the 65,000-seat stadium was being built in 2017, the Raiders chose Zurn as a water conservation partner whose products would help them deliver a world-class fan experience. From behind-the-scenes water safety and control to approximately 3,500 restroom fixtures, Zurn technology has proven to be both reliable and efficient. In all, it's saving more than 535 million gallons of water per year in one of the nation's most water-constrained cities. Now, 4 years after Allegiant Stadium opened, we're helping the Allegiant Stadium operations team reach new heights in their sustainability efforts. In the spring of 2024, Zurn upgraded several of the stadium's busiest restroom facilities to our newest technology in sensor faucets and flush valves. By employing hydropower and the resilience of a gear-driven ceramic cartridge, Zurn innovators have tackled some of the biggest challenges faced by contractors and maintenance personnel.
The trouble-free service and equipment that Zurn provides is superior than the other largest two competitors.
These best-in-class fixture upgrades remain aesthetically beautiful while saving on labor, maintenance, and the waste generated by spent batteries.
Whenever we assemble a project that we're going to do, sustainability has now become a line item. It's very important to us, and this would be a prime example. The technology is there, why not use it? The ROI is there for us to see, and we're all doing our part for sustainability.
Zurn's Hydro X Power flush valves and faucets generate and store power from water flowing through the fixture, avoiding the cost of hard wiring or an endless supply of batteries. With only a few activations each day, each fixture harvests enough power to extend the battery life 10 years or more, the life of a commercial restroom. That means big savings for Allegiant Stadium.
As far as the no batteries are concerned, that's a huge, not only expense that we don't have to lay out anymore, but there's the maintenance side of it also. That going away eventually would be huge for us. You can see that on our budget disappear.
In addition to Hydro X, all of the new flush valves and faucets being deployed at Allegiant Stadium also feature Zurn's Easy Gear technology. Using a gear-driven ceramic cartridge that is less susceptible to debris and buildup than a solenoid.
Those ceramics are very hard and can handle those small amounts of debris, and it does away with that banging and the actual solenoid itself. So it's all about having the longer lasting product that's going to last the life of that commercial restroom, that 10 plus years.
I'm a real big fan of Zurn. I really like the product, and I would love to see those new units going across the board in this facility.